vanity van outside. Then I wore that. My stylist is on, she's at the job right now and fixing it.
As a hero.
हमारी लड़ाई करवा दीजिए आप आज ही.
कहाँ तक सेफ लगता है?
मतलब आपके लिए कितना स्कोप है?
स्कोप है?
कितना है?
जितना स्क्रिप्ट में है उतना ही स्कोप है जी.
अच्छा. तो 2 साल के बाद आपने शुरुआत कंगना से की, कंगना के साथ. तो ये कहाँ
मैंने
तक
कट्टी बट्टी से की.
अच्छा.
Well, the thing is that it is a love story, and I think both of us have equally important part. Maybe Imran has a lot more screen space than me, but that doesn't mean किसी का character weak है, तो I think वही एक जो इस तरह की जो कहानी होती है उसकी यही एक खासियत होती है.
Kangna, sorry for the delay. I mean to say late compliment. You look like a Barbie doll, in fact.
Thank you.
What was the particular reason to wear this dress, this moment actually?
Because it's a Sunday, you all coming, and I wanted to make it worth it for you all. I mean, I could have chosen to wear jeans and T-shirt, and it had to be transported in a different car. Then there was a vanity van outside. Then I wore that. My stylist is on, she's at the job right now and fixing just for you all, just so that you get good pictures.
Thank you very much.
There's a reason she's the queen of the box office and of these answers as well. Brilliant once again. Yes,
okay,
back there.
Hello. Yeah.
There,
hi, Kangna and Imran. Amazing trailer. I'm very curious to watch movie. So, Kangna, मेरा सवाल आपके लिए ये है. First of all, rumors थे कि आपको YRF और सलमान के साथ सुल्तान मूवी के लिए अप्रोच किया गया था, लेकिन आपने रंगून चुनी भंसाली जी की. तो कितनी सच्चाई है? और सॉरी भारद्वाज जी की. तो कितनी सच्चाई है?
Well, the thing is that I've already given my dates to Rangoon, and that's why I couldn't do that film.
Okay. And Imran, ये फिल्म आपके लिए कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इससे पहले आपकी फिल्में जो हैं बॉक्स ऑफिस पर इतना कमाल नहीं कर चुकी हैं, तो कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है इस फिल्म से?
मैं अपनी फिल्म से कभी एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता ही नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज देयर इज नो वे टू नो व्हाट विल हैपन. उम्मीदें बहुत है क्योंकि ये फिल्म मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत खास है. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, आई हैव हैड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माय एंटायर करियर व्हाइल वर्किंग ऑन दिस फिल्म. सो द फिल्म मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी इमोशनली. अब आप लोगों को पसंद आए ना आए ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन. But whatever happens, I can say that this is a film which means a lot to me, and I'll always hold my head up very high and say with great pride that this is my film.
कंगना, ट्रेलर के एक सीन में आप कहीं ना कहीं ऐश्वर्या की तरह लग रही थी. वो देवदास वाला लुक है जो आपने, वो अटायर, वो साड़ी और वो सब जो मेकअप किया है, तो वो आपका खुद का आइडिया था या निखिल का था?
नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक्टर्स जाएं सेट पर और बोलें अच्छा आज मुझे देवदास के कपड़े पहनने हैं. फिल्में थोड़े डिफरेंट तरीके से बनती हैं, ये पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता है.
होता है, कुछ एक्टर्स ऐसे करते हैं, लेकिन
निखिल
ये
सर
नहीं करती.
तो मुझे आपने वो तमा तमा वाला कॉस्ट्यूम क्यों नहीं दिया फिर?
I tried.
नहीं, ये पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता है. ये राइटर्स पहले ही, जब स्क्रिप्ट होती है, जब हम लोग भी नहीं ऑन बोर्ड होते, उस वक्त ये सारे जो हैं सीन्स जो हैं डिसाइड हो जाते हैं.
Imran, Kangna, over here, towards the left,
Hi.
center. Very simple question. There's a lot of chemistry that's translating on screen. How comfortable, how easy or how difficult was it to work with each other? This is your first film that you guys are doing together. So how was the experience of coming on board the first day, when you guys found out that you are going to be working with each other?
It is the first time, but we have had missed connections many times in the past 4-5 years. You remember that photo shoot we had done? How many years ago was that?
People magazine.
People magazine का photo shoot कुछ 6-7 साल हो गए. We had done a photo shoot together and we had hit it off very well. And we said, yeah, we should do some work together. And it either worked out that I was doing the film and she was not doing the film, or she would do the film, I would not do the film. So this missed connection kept going for many years. And there's always this thing that at some point we have to do something together. And ultimately I'm glad that it ended up being this film, because what Kangana has brought to her role, brought to the film, I feel that no other actress could have done justice to that. It is a very demanding role. It's a very tricky role. When you see the film, आप सब समझ जाएंगे. And it requires a certain finesse and a certain craft which very few actors possess.
Kangna, the same feelings for you while working with Imran?
Same to you. Sorry, I keep calling my actor friends, by character names. I don't know why I do that. But no, Imran is a delight to work with, and he's just like this on the sets also. Always very balanced, very centered, and he never loses his cool, and he's very calm whole day. Mr. Mercurial is there. He will be shouting, and the next minute you look at him, he'll be like giggling with his belly shaking.
What is Nikhil's favorite word on set,
What?
You can't say it in public, but you know which one, no?